What's up, y'all? This is your boy JB, aka MyMixEngineer, back with another video. In this video, I want to show you guys a quick trick that you can use to get your vocals to sit nicely inside of a 2-track. Basically, a pre-mixed already beat that's already mastered. Maybe they just got the MP3 or they just got the WAV file. They can't get the stems from the producer, or the producer lost the beat. Things happen. All right, it happens. But in this case, check this out. Let me show you what it sounds like without what I did.
Only thing I claim is being cedric. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless? Ay, I only hang with the real one.
Sounds nice, right? Now this is with what I did.
Only thing I claim is being cedric. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress.
All right, so now that you heard it with it, I bypass it probably like every 5 seconds. Take a listen.
Only thing I claim is being cedric. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out a lot of stress. Cause who wanna cause problem with a bless? Ay, I only hang with the real ones. Williams, I know my family love me. Ay, and if for life we gotta steal one, kill one, I know my people clutch.
All right, so with it, it gives the vocals some presence, right? And that's what I was attacking, like, because it didn't have any presence, and I didn't want to over process my vocals to manipulate them to sound over present, like you get what I'm saying. I didn't want to over process these vocals. I want the vocals to sound as natural as possible inside of this 2-track beat, right? So let me show you what I did. Easy trick. If you already have, I mean, this is a plugin pretty much everybody should have. If not, I think I know a couple other plugins that you can use. And if you guys know some other dope plugins, put them in the comments. Make sure you like, subscribe, and you know what I'm saying, turn on the notifications so you won't next video, you guys. So anyway, let's dive right back. What I'm saying is that right here we have the FabFilter Pro EQ3. And what I did, I found the frequencies that pretty much this 2K is more their presence, and then I got like that 4, the low mid-range area that kind of give it that for me, of the voice. I wanted those 2 presents in the vocal at all time, in the mix at all times. So what I did is I sent the main verse to a bus. It's out, not anywhere. And I'm side chaining it. So I set that side chain. That's the key to this track. Should be 8. Yeah, I'm using the left one. Doesn't matter because it's a mono signal. And so what you'll see is
only thing I claim is being cedric.
So you see 2 different spectrums that you see right here. You see a white one and you see a red one. The red one is the vocals. I couldn't get it out. The red one is the vocals, and the white one is actually the beat.
Only thing I claim is being cedric.
And the cool thing about FabFilter is that you can see, like, you see those couple of red spots that were showing. It's showing you where it's kind of masking up the vocals. You can go through and just, you know what I'm saying, try to cut each one. That's not what I wanted. I knew exactly which one, what frequencies that I wanted. Pretty much. I knew exactly which ones. So I chose the 2K, 2.8, 2000, whatever you want to call it. 2.8, that's what I call it. It's called 28 hertz, 28K, because it's saying hertz, but 28K. I'm using that because that's more of the presence of the vocals. So I boosted because I know that I'm going to be cutting it the majority of the time. So when it's not interfering, I want that to be more exciting, so it's tricking your ear. So what I did, let's go here so you guys can see. So I'm using the dynamic EQ right now. So I'm taking away, and I'm make sure you hit this little button right here, because now the side chain is triggering the compression. Well, you can call it compression. That's what I call it, because it's taking away a certain frequency in a range. So I'm only taking around like 3 dB most
Only thing I claim is being cedric. The only people who
And
hang.
I'm doing the same thing here. So you can use maybe Soothe 2 is a great one. Soothe 2, you probably just put it on there and it just gets straight to it, which would be maybe a good idea. I should have tried that one, but I already did this. But Soothe 2, try it out. Another great one, you could actually use the C6, because it has a side chain. If I'm not mistaken, C6 has a side chain. Those are only two that can come to the top of my head right now. There's plenty other ones out there. If you guys know some more, like, put it in the comments and let me check them out as well. And for everybody else in the gang, So remember, try this out so that your vocals can sit well inside the mix. Again, this is especially a 2-track. You can do this on the actual, like, a full tracked out session. Like, you can put this on the summing of all of the instruments. Same thing.
Only thing I claim is being cedric. The only people who hang is who invest. Look, they help keep out of.
Because with it keeps that crispiness of it. You gotta try it out. Y'all gotta try it out. For real. No, let me stop playing with you guys. So next time, mixing is an art. Be you. Stay true. I'm out. Well, I ain't out. I'm still here with my boy, my assistant, chilling on the couch.